Hello friends, today we are going to install a head unit in Renault Clio 2014. So this is the front panel I have just removed, just sitting on with these four clips here, two on bottom and two at top. So just you have to pull it off carefully, and we are going to install this 10.10-inch head unit. It's an Android system with wireless CarPlay and wireless Android. So if you want to buy this product in Australia, I'll put that link below. So yeah, to just remove this head unit, simply we're going to remove this four screws here. We'll take this out, and then it came with this plug and play wiring harness. I'm also going to install the reverse camera as well in this car. So yeah, I'm not going to show the result reverse camera installation, as quite difficult to record while working on it. Alright, we have to remove this old panel at back here as well, which was holding the head unit. So there is 4-5 screws. You have to remove this. You have to first remove these screws for this as well. Press these connectors and it will go back. You can drop it back, and then you can take this panel out. Then you have to remove this hazard switches. So like this hazard switch is sitting in there like this, so you have to press these connectors to lift it up, and then you can remove this connector by pressing this pin here and take them out. So once they are out, then we can put the old panel back in. First I'll show you how to do the hazard light switches and door lock switch on the new panel. So this new panel back in, and we'll put these screws back on as well. 2, 3, 4, and then the screw for this AC control switches. Just secure it, and then we can put back the old head unit. So with this harness we all have already connected. If you have a factory reverse camera, I think you can retain your factory camera as well with this harness. So I have run my USB cables through this here because it doesn't have factory USBs here. So just run it along here. First take them out at this side. This panel you can pull it off. Take these wires from here, bring it up here, and then from here try to feed inside up there where the head unit is. So once you got your USB cable, I'm just putting my GPS antenna on dash there, and it should be sitting somewhere flat, so you can place these switches into this bracket. Came with the new head unit. So once you place that in, you'll have to put them on the back of this head unit like this, and secure it with 2 small screws, and then you can just connect it back. So shift this air vent here onto new fascia, these 2 clips on this new one fascia here, and we are ready to put back. Just make sure secure every end of unused wires, and then we're just going to connect it back. So these are plug and play harnesses we already have connected. So these two, this one from here going to this CAN bus box, and also make sure this CAN bus box is connected to main harness. So all connectors have to be at same place: reverse camera, 2 USBs, and CAN bus connector here, radio antenna, GPS antenna. So it's all done. Just check your steering wheel buttons are working. If they are not working, go to factory settings here. Settings, system setting, factory setting. 1617 is the pin, and go to can type setup, can type, and make sure it's selected high volt Renault Clio 4, and just save it. So we have also finished installing reverse camera as well, external microphone if you need to install. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.